Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? In today's video I just want to show you how I make this yummy looking delicious caramel. So you only need 4 ingredients to achieve this consistency and good caramel. All you need is butter, you need vanilla, you need cooking cream, and also you need sugar. For the recipe, I'm going to leave it in the description box below for it to be easy for you. So if you want to see how I achieve it, just keep watching. So on a low fire, you're just gonna put your pot, your deep pot. This is what we need, deep wine. That's what. So in it, we're just gonna add your sugar. Sugar is the thing to add, and then we're just gonna leave it on fire until it is well melted. And now we are getting there gradually. As you guys can see, it's melting gradually. So while I leave it on fire to melt by itself, if you keep stirring it, it's just gonna create some lumps, and it's gonna give you a time to make it well dissolved. So that's why I decided to leave it to melt on its own. And I will advise you guys to use a wooden spoon. Is better. Don't use stainless, you know, it can be so sticky with the stainless spoon. So the wooden spoon is the best for this. So as you guys can see, we are getting there gradually. We are almost there. Just keep stirring. At this moment, you need to keep stirring. So now it is well dissolved. This is what we want, and this is the consistency we want. As you guys can see, it's changing the color now. So the next thing we're going to do is to add our butter. So now that I've had my butter, so you will let it melt and keep stirring. Did you guys see the reason why I said you should use deep pot? Because it's just gonna splash everywhere on your stove or on your gas cooker. So you need a deep pot to make this. So just keep stirring until the butter is well melted, and you know, let them copulate with each other. The next thing I'm going to add is the cream. Just add it and keep stirring as you see, as and then to let you don't need it. So just keep stirring, guys, until it is well copulated. I don't know what to say. Copulated until it is they both, yeah, I don't know. So I want to tell you, just keep stirring hard because the sugar will be sticky under the pot. So you need to be careful at this moment. Keep stirring and keep checking all at the angles of the pot because the sugar are sticking there. As you guys can see in the wooden spoon, did you see that sugar? That is under the angles of the pot. So you just need to stir it very often and often. Now we are almost there. As you can see, the color has changed, and this is what we want. Our caramel is done. So now I'm going to add my vanilla essence. So it depends on how you want it. If you want it to smell vanilla, I'm just kidding, you know. So yeah, now I'm off the fire. As you can see, the color has really changed. Our caramel is done. So I'm just gonna set it aside for like 30 to 1 hour for it to calm down, to cool down, you know. So yeah, that's the next thing. It is after minutes exactly. This is after 35 minutes. As it has changed, and the thickness, you know, the consistency has changed as well. It's much thicker than before, and it's ready. Just pour it. Wow! Look at, isn't it looking good? So try it, guys. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. So I had to keep it in you can keep your caramel in a jar, in anything, in a plastic one, anything you think you can keep it. So I keep this one in a Nescafe Gold. So with this caramel sauce, you can make your apple cake with it, because I make apple cake with it. Because I make the apple cake with it.